Hello everyone, welcome to our today's tutorial. If you're new here, karibu sana and kindly consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So let's get into the video. What we need for this project: a pair of scissors, a crochet hook, this is size 3mm, and I need two different colors of yarn. This is luminous green. I'll be doubling the strands, and this is hot pink. So to begin, make a slip knot. Insert your hook in the loop and chain 4. One, 2, 3, and 4. So go through the first chain and make a slip stitch. So that is how we create the magic ring. Chain 3, and in this space that we've created, we are going to work 12 double crochet. Insert your hook in that space and make a double crochet. So the first 3 chains do not count as a double crochet, so that is 1 double crochet, 2. So keep on working double crochet until you have 12 in total. And I'll meet you at the end to show you what to do next. So just to confirm, if I have 12, I need 1 more. So to close this space, you're going to pull this tail like this. And to complete round 1, you're going through the first stitch. So skip the 3 chains and go through the first stitch and make a slip stitch. That's how we complete round 1 with a total of 12 double crochet. So chain 1 and cut your yarn. At this point, we are going to change the yarn. So make a slip knot in the same space where we made a slip stitch. Insert your hook there. Pull the loop and make 1 chain, 2 and 3. Once you have 3 chains, make a double crochet in the same space. So chain 4, skip 1 stitch, the next make 2 double crochets. chain 4, skip 1 stitch, in the next make 2 double crochets, chain 4, skip 1 stitch and make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 4, skip 1 stitch, 2 double crochet in the same space, chain 4, skip 1 stitch and make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 4, so we have 1 stitch remaining, skip that stitch and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Insert your hook and make a slip stitch. So that's how we complete round 2. So in the next stitch you're going to slip stitch. In the chain 4 space, make a slip stitch. Chain 3. These 3 chains count as the first double crochet and we are going to make 8 double crochet in the chain 4 stitch. So in total you'll have 9 double crochet. So this is the second, 3rd double crochet, 4, 5 until you have 9. So I have 9 double crochet and these first 3 chains count as the first double crochet. So grab yarn and we are going through this double crochet here. So through the post you're going to make 5 double crochet. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So go back and make a slip stitch in this second double crochet. So insert your hook in the loop and make a slip stitch. In the chain 4 space, make a slip stitch, chain 3, this chain 3 count as the first double crochet, so make a total of 9 double crochet. This is 2, 3, so keep on working double crochet until you have 9. So I have 9 double crochet and we are going to repeat what we did in the previous chain 4 space. So your hook will go through this post and make 5 double crochet. So grab yarn, insert your hook in that space and make double crochet. Next, a double crochet in the same space. double crochet, so this is the 5th double crochet. Then you go back to the next 2 double crochets and make a slip stitch in the 2nd double crochet. So go through both loops and make a slip stitch. In the chain 4 space, make a slip stitch, chain 3, make a double crochet. So you're going to repeat this sequence to the end of this round. So make 5 double crochet in this post. So we are going to slip stitch in the 2nd double crochet where we began. So insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, tighten off and cut your yarn. Yeah, so that is all for today. I'm going to hide all these tails with a darning needle. So it's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like, share the link and leave a comment in the comment section. Until next video, bye.